how nature actually works. Look at this tree. It was knocked down, but then it's still growing. Look, look, even if they knock you down, you can still get up and start all over again. Look at that. I can't believe. Yeah, today is Nature Trail Day. Fresh air, fresh experience. So, my people, never give, knock you down, lift yourself up, and keep going. Keep going. Life is a journey. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. We fall, we rise, we fall, we rise. Look at this. Look at this one, even if it's still, this is so interesting, isn't it? This one, still so bendy, but it's still going. It's still growing. Look, it's so bendy, and it's still growing. This one, same though. Oh, that was huge, isn't it? But I think that's also part of it. Came out of it as well. Oh, look at that.
Funny thing, the way it makes it goes, isn't it? And then this one, it goes back into the soil.
Yeah. Yeah, this one.